Many people think that course is important, but instead of a course, I always say that skill is important. Course can be learnt from anywhere, any institution. You will be able to just complete the course, you will be able to get some 20-30% of the knowledge. But when you become a master in that subject, you will be a skilled person. So skilled person is going to be getting much more opportunities. We are going to be giving you the skills, not the courses. Many people will tell me, sir, I have learned this course, I have learned this course. But instead of learning the course, you always ask them, I want to get into IT industry. What are the best skills I need to learn and who's the best mentor who can help me? Never go for a course, go for the skill. Bhaskar Jogi with the goonlinetrainings.com is here to develop the skills, and we are going to be offering multiple skills such as master data analytics using Power BI, master data engineering using Azure or AWS. Within 3 to 6 months of time, you will be able to get into data. You can get into IT jobs. Minimum people are earning 20-30,000 rupees per month. Even though you have a 10 years of a gap, now you can get minimum 3 to 4 job offers. Minimum salary package will be 15 to 25 lakhs. It is a completely no coding, low coding programs. So enroll in this batch, try to contact with me. And if you wanted to have one-to-one career guidance, let us talk to each other and I can give you proper guidance as well. So let us enroll in my batch and try to understand as a non-IT guy how you can completely transform your career and get a beautiful IT job. Thank you guys.